Hey our friends, today we're going to draw a Christmas shark that looks like Rudolph.
And we hope you're really excited to follow along with us. We're using our markers to draw and color with.
But like always, you could use whatever you have.
All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw our little shark's eyeball. We're gonna draw it right here in the middle of our paper. And I'm gonna draw an oval shape, or you could draw a circle. And then we could also draw the smaller circle inside for highlight and color in the big oval. This makes the eyes look shiny.
Made a big oval.
Big oval. Oh yeah, I like it. Okay, and then we're gonna draw the top of our shark. Or let's draw the nose first. We're gonna draw over here, so directly to the left, and we're gonna draw a circle, and we could draw it kind of big since we're drawing him like Rudolph with the big bright
Red nose.
Red nose, yeah. And although this one, if he bullied him, it would be scary.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna draw the top of our shark's head and also go into his body. So we're gonna draw a rainbow line, we're gonna come over, and then we're gonna come down. I might make my eye bigger too to match your eye. There we go. Okay, now let's draw the mouth. And we're gonna start under the nose, and we're gonna come down and then curve in to a smile, and up will end close to the eye. And then we could also draw the cheek line. And let's draw the sharp teeth. We're gonna draw letter V's, and we can draw one right there, and then let's add three more. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, next, the bottom of the mouth. We'll start at this tooth. We're gonna draw it curving down, over, and then back up to where the smile or the cheek line is. Then we could draw a couple more teeth down here, or let's draw 3 teeth on the bottom. And we could also draw a curve for the tongue. I'm gonna go behind the tooth and then come out the other side. Yes, and then we can color in the shapes above the tongue, so it's black. Next, let's draw the fin. We're gonna draw it right here. We're gonna draw a curved letter V. There's the first little fin. Then we're gonna draw the lips for our shark coming down. Well, and then we could also kind of turn it into the body, but then also the collar that our little bell, jingle bell, is hanging from. We could just make it a regular bell. Okay, then we're gonna imagine that going underneath the fin and coming out the other side of the fin. So going through. Okay, now let's draw the bell right here. So first, let's draw a little circle. And then we can draw an upside down letter U. Then we'll draw a curve for the bottom of the bell. And let's give it a little extra detail around the bottom of the bell. And then the little jingle part. I can never remember what that's called.
Yeah.
The part that makes the noise. Okay, then let's turn this into a collar. And we're gonna draw the collar coming down here. And then we can draw it curving underneath the bell. And we're gonna match this top curve. So we wanna follow along, see how I'm trying to keep that same shape. And then on the back of the shark, we'll extend it down a little more and then connect in. So I got a little thinner towards the back, but we're trying to keep it the same distance, like yours.
Mine's a little bit to the right.
That's okay. I like it.
Still works.
Yes, it's awesome. Okay, next, let's draw the other fin on this side to make it more 3D. We're gonna draw it curving out and curving back to the collar. Okay, now we need antlers and also the Santa hat. So let's start with the first antler. We're gonna draw 2 lines curving up front, or diagonal lines, not really curving, but coming up to the right. Then we can draw the first little branch curving around, and we're kind of coming back to the main part. Then let's curve up further and then back down. And don't worry about making these look exactly like mine. It's okay if you change them. So then we're gonna draw the antlers coming back down. And we can draw another line down. And then one more little branch on the antler and then connect in to the other side. Okay, cool. There's our first antler. Yours is awesome. I like
It's
how
huge.
Yeah, how big and thick it is.
Yeah.
Let's draw our Santa hat behind the antler. So this is a little more complicated, but I bet you can do it. It's going to be awesome. We're going to draw the first part. Oh, we could even draw the other part. It's going to go behind, so it's 3D. So we got the front and the back, and then we're going to follow the shape of the top of our shark to the other side. Oh, and while we're at it, let's also draw the back fin on our shark, so it really looks more like a shark. So we're going to draw the curve coming out and down, and then we're going to curve back down with the point here into the body. Okay, and another reason why it's not quite a shark, we need the gills. I'm going to draw 3 gills there. Yes. Okay, next, the top of our Santa hat. Let's first draw the pom-pom on the end of the hat. And draw it right above the fin. And then we're going to draw this part. Let's draw it curving up. And then we can get it right close to the antler. And then we're going to draw it into the pom-pom. Okay, now this other part, we're going to go behind. You could draw this with the pencil first, but we're gonna imagine it without the pencil. So we're gonna connect there, imagine it going behind, connecting in between the antlers, coming out over here, and then into the fluffy part. Yes! Okay, next we need to draw the other antler and make it look more 3D. So we're gonna draw those 2 diagonal lines, but coming up to the left this time. Then we can draw the first little branch coming around and down. Then let's draw it coming up a little higher. And then another branch. Another one curving around to the other side. And then this one, I'm gonna draw it curving out, and I need a little more space here, so we'll connect it in there. Wow, that one see how this one got taller? So the next time we draw, I wanna make this one a little bit. Yours are even, look at that. Well, this one's a little higher, and I would want it to be the same height next time.
But it looks fine.
That's okay, right?
Yeah.
The most important thing is?
To have fun.
Yeah, and?
Practice.
Practice. Okay, next let's draw the rest of our shark's body. We're gonna draw it curving right here, if there's room, behind the bell. Then we'll imagine it coming out from under the bell. We're gonna curve around, and I'm gonna stop about here. So curving down and up. And then right here, we're gonna curve into, but leave a little space. The next time I draw our shark, we're gonna move him a little over to the left so we have room for the tail. More room for the tail. We're gonna draw a curve up to the right and one down to the right. Then let's draw the back of our fin or tail, curve to the middle right here. And then I'm gonna do a little S curve for the bottom. Then let's add 2 more little fins down here. I'm gonna add one here and also one right here. Kind of look like little feet.
Yeah.
And we did it. We finished drawing our Rudolph shark.
Yes.
Yeah, except we still need to
Color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to use our drawings as inspiration for yours. Jack, we did it. We finished coloring our reindeer sharks.
A Rudolph sharks.
Yeah, they turned out awesome. I hope our friends will take time to color their drawings.
Yeah, you could pause the video.
Yeah, and remember, you don't have to use markers. You can use whatever you have, and you can change the colors.
And even add a background.
Oh yeah, you could draw more reindeer shark and even Santa's sleigh.
Ooh, yes.
Yeah, that's a
Santa's boat.
But, oh, it should be a boat.
Yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a Christmas shark.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.